Imagine for a moment that your eyes suddenly recalibrate. The physical world of concrete, wood, and flesh dissolves, and you are plunged into an ocean of invisible light. You are no longer looking at empty air. You are staring into a dense, vibrating matrix of human connection. This is the reality we have built, but are entirely blind to. If you could see Wi-Fi and radio waves, the modern world wouldn't look like a landscape. It would look like a colossal, glowing nervous system. Every device is a synapse. Every router is a beating heart. And you? You are drowning in the current. Look closely at the space between you and your phone. Right now, it appears empty. But in this new vision, it is a blinding beam of concentrated information, a highway of invisible color. The Wi-Fi routers in your neighborhood wouldn't just be blinking plastic boxes. They would appear as pulsing, glowing spheres, expanding outward, crashing into each other like ripples in a pond. Your local cell tower? It would look like a digital lighthouse, sweeping a massive, blinding strobe across the city, penetrating the very walls of your home. You would realize that you are never truly alone. You are perpetually tangled in an invisible web of data. But consider the psychological toll of this sight. We often speak of feeling overwhelmed, of sensory overload. What if this mental exhaustion isn't just a metaphor, but a subconscious reaction to the sheer density of the invisible architecture we live within? Like a bird trapped in a cage made of lasers, we exist in a constantly vibrating cage of frequencies. We are bathed in the silent noise of a billion conversations, stock trades, and streamed videos. It's an invisible ocean, and we are holding our breath without even knowing it. We engineered this invisible realm to conquer distance, to pull the world closer. But in doing so, we have saturated the very air we breathe with a digital smog. We are terrified of silence, so we filled the empty space with invisible light. The profound realization is this: even when the world seems entirely still and entirely empty, it is screaming with activity. The silence is an illusion. We are living inside the machine,